this is Benaya and Felicity. We're going to teach you a new way to do math. So this is me and Felicity, and we need 10 rings like this. And what else? One bunch of dots. Can you show them?
A bunch of dots, Mama.
We rolled all of these numbers out with clay, and we're going to show you how to put the dots on. 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rings. So,
I have a ring.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now that I did it on paper with clay, I'm going to show you how to do it with a marker. Are you ready? Good job. The number that you see is how many dots you need. Are you ready? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 1, 1.
Oops, try that one again.
1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Slow down.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. We're going to show you what to do in this math problem. 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 9. So 6 plus 3 equals 9. I don't need it for you. So 8 plus 4 equals 12.
Yep, but say
9, 10, 11. So the answer is 11. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this was 12 and this is 12 too?
Mm-hmm.
They both 12? You do it subtraction too. You just have to count backwards. 8, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. The answer is 4. So 7, 7, 6, 5. So the answer is 5. Tell me if that helps you a lot. It helped me. Bye.